Affiliate marketing made easy with helpful tips and tricks. One great online business to get into is affiliate marketing. It's not actually hard to do, but it does have a learning curve that needs to be taken on if you want to make good money. Here are some tips for getting you past that learning curve. Maybe you can even break the curve. Who doesn't love a bit of free advertising? Get your business, and your website, listed in free business directories. There are many out there, such as Yelp, yellowpages.com, and InfoUSA. Listing with them can lead to a boost in website traffic as well as a boost in the success of your business. Be honest with your affiliate marketing links. Your readers will appreciate your candid nature and honesty. People can see these things from a mile away, and they know how to bypass you and go straight to the vendor to make their purchase and keep you from getting your cut of the deal. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, only promote products that are relevant to your market. If you advertise products that your customers will not be interested in, you will fail to make any money. Instead, promote quality products that will appeal to your customers and your profits will increase. Do not waste your time on products that are only offering commissions of 5 to 10%. You can hold out for larger commissions of 20 to 50%. And with the way this type of marketing works, it's usually the better products offering the larger commissions, and better products sell a lot easier than cheaper products. These ideas should help you move steadily toward affiliate marketing success. Making money as an affiliate isn't an instant process, but one of constant learning, tweaking and gradual building. Following these tips is an investment in your future though, so with what you've learned, you can go forth and build the financial freedom you desire. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.